One mature tree can absorb up to 22 kilograms of carbon dioxide per year, helping to fight climate change. Did you know? Forests cover about 31% of the Earth's land area, but are home to over 80% of all terrestrial biodiversity. Did you know? Tropical rainforests act as the lungs of the earth, producing about 20% of the planet's oxygen. Did you know? Forests provide livelihoods for more than 1 billion people worldwide, especially in the rural area. Did you know? Deforestation contributes to about 10% of the global greenhouse gases emission. Did you know? The Amazon rainforest alone stores around 90 to 140 billion metric tons of carbon. Did you know? Rwanda has made a great progress in forest restoration, aiming for 30% for forest cover by 2030. Did you know? Mangrove forests protect coastal area from erosion and storm surges while providing fish breeding grounds. Did you know? Forest soils store more carbon than the trees themselves. Did you know? Did you know that agroforestry can increase farm income by up to 40% through diversified products like fruits, timber, and honey? Trees in agroforestry systems improve soil fertility by fixing nitrogen and recycling nutrients. Did you know? Agroforestry reduces erosion by protecting the soil with the tree roots and canopy cover. Did you know? Some trees like Fadiharbia albida shed their leaves during the growing season, providing shade and natural fertilizer for the crops. Did you know? Silviculture can improve animal welfare and reduces methane emission. Did you know? Agroforestry helps to mitigate the climate change by sequestering carbon in both trees and soils. Did you know? Traditional Rwandan farming systems often included agroforestry practices such as planting Gerveria, Coriander, and Macadamia on the farms. Did you know? Array cropping with the leguminous trees can boost maize or beans yield while reducing fertilizer needs. Did you know? Agroforestry supports pollinators and biodiversity, which increase crop productivity and resilience. Did you know? Let us be together. Time to time to sensitize, to make advocacy for the environment as Green Land Conservation Organization. Thank you very much.